Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to make a password cracker with Python. It will be a nice video. Now we are importing time and string module. Now we will take user input. Using word variable we are taking user input. We will request our client to input the data which he wants to crack by using our software. Now we are writing the text. I think I need to develop my writing skill because I think my writing is so slow. However, writing does not fact. Logical part are main in coding. Sorry, here will be cracker. Now we are creating a function. This function is the main part of this system. Cracker is the name of the function which we made in this system. Now we are printing a data. This data will improve the look of our code. I'm not giving any background music to my videos because it creates a lot of problem which cannot be explained in 2 or 3 words. I think you guys understand better than me. I will say you to never copy a code. I will say you to see the structure of the code, then you can make it yourself. It will increase the ability of your coding. Now we are setting the value of car site. Variable is a part and parcel of a coding. That's why we need to make every variable very carefully. Sorry, it will be not coding, it will be code. Now we are setting some conditional agreement. These conditional agreement are very important in this software because the whole software is dependent on the agreement and conditions. Now we are writing for char in char site. Now we are making a new variable named picture. The variable equals to word. Now we are writing if statement. Means if it's a kind of conditional statement. Now we are printing a data. Now we are printing another data. In order to bring some variations to our video is not fast. Now we are printing a different data. Let's write it. X equals to plus 1. We have set here time.sleep for skipping time for 1 second. We have set here break for a specific reason. Now we are writing the else part of the if-else statement. Now we are printing a data. Now we are printing a data outside the else part of the if-else statement. Now we are writing the data which we are wanted to output. Now we are calling the function. Shit, there is something wrong in our function. We need to make it correct. Let's have a look at our code properly. Our ID is showing there is problem in line 22. There is problem in spacing. We have give here a space which is equals to a tab. Shit, we need to solve the problem. Let's find it where the problem is situated. Now showing problem is situated in line 24. We need to find it out. Right here CodeWithTaus. Function is running but there is a bug inside the function. We need to find the bug as soon as possible. We need to write here word. Let's run our program. Now our software is running but not properly. We need to make it more powerful. We have to write here the result variable. Let's run our software. Now our software is properly running. Let's run our software again and again. Let's try one time by writing while true. Sorry, we should delete while true means infinitive loop. Thanks for watching.